Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Brenda, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all the hair masks I used on my friend's hair and on my hair as well. So this hair mask promotes hair growth, thickens your hair, strengthens your hair, and also heals any bald patch on your hair. If your hair is bald, then you should give these ingredients a try. So please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button in order for you not to miss other videos. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're hearing noise from the background, please ignore it. A friend of mine is coming over, so I'm going to take care of her hair with only 4 ingredients. Then after doing that, if it remains, I'll use the remaining hair mask for my hair. So I felt the need to vlog the entire thing. If you're new, please give the video a huge thumbs up by clicking the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get on with this video. So I started off by washing her hair. Her hair was really dirty, so I had to wash her hair first of all. Then I went on with the hair mask. I'm so sorry we weren't able to show the video of how I made this hair mask because we did not want to, she didn't want to show her face in the camera first of all. So but then before we started videoing, it was already too late. But then I can leave all the procedure in the description box, so please check the description box to see how I made this hair mask. But before you go there, all the ingredients I used are egg, avocado, banana, moringa powder, and olive oil. That is it. These are the only ingredients I use in order to achieve this hair mask. As you are blending it, depending on the consistency you want, you can add water to it in order to lighten it up a little bit, because as you're blending it, it will actually look thicker, and it's water will also ease the blending process. So this hair mask helps your hair to grow. Like when I say grow, I am serious. It helps your hair to grow a lot. As we all know, egg is a protein treatment. It helps your hair to grow very well, and it also uh makes your hair strong. It strengthens your hair in order to prevent breakage. Moringa powder as well is very good for thickening hair and also promoting hair growth. So when we are done with all these things, applying the hair mask, I cover it up and also with a nylon and with a heating cap, then leave it to steam up for 30 minutes. I left this to steam up for 30 minutes. After that, I washed it off. I didn't show it then, but then I washed off that hair mask and went in with this deep conditioner. The thing is, protein treatment is that when you're done with protein treatment, you have to go in with a moisturizing treatment so that it can balance the pH of your hair. So this is a moisturizing hair mask that helps to soften the hair. So after I applied that other hair mask, I went in with this one so that everything will be well balanced. Guys, this lady's hair at the back was not growing at all. It wasn't growing. Let me be very frank with you all. It's the herbs that I use in this hair mask that is helping her hair to grow, and this my own hair mask as well. So I do protein treatment once in a month, but then my hair mask, I use it anytime that I'm washing my hair, probably 2 times in a month. So if you haven't done this treatment before, please give it a try. So I cover the hair mask to steam up for another 30 minutes. Then I rinsed it off. You can see the way I am trying to rinse it off here. I'm rinsing off the entire hair mask, but at a point we noticed that the avocado was still stuck in her hair, so we had to use shampoo at this point to remove or to wash off the entire avocado. Even though we tried to strain it, but there were still some smaller particles in the hair mask. I'm done washing the hair, and the next thing to do is to dry the hair and moisturize it, or moisturize the hair and dry it. Anyone? Guys, this lady's hair was not even like this before, but look at her hair. The back of her hair was not even growing, but see, her hair is popping out, her hair is growing. Oh my god. Please ignore the noise at the background though. See, this neighborhood is very noisy and I don't know what to do. So let's get on with this video. So I went on to apply the hair mask on my hair, but first of all, my hair was very dry, so I saturated it with hibiscus tea. This is zobo leaf. If you're in Nigeria, this is what they call zobo leaf, so please get hold of it. It also helps your hair to flourish very well, also helps to thicken your hair, helps with dandruff. So if you have dandruff, this helps you a lot. So I'm going in with this hair mask. Oh my god, I can't remember the last time I put avocado in my head. I just hope I don't have protein overload, because I did protein treatment like I think last 2 weeks ago. Yeah, last 2 weeks ago. So I just hope I don't have protein overload, but I don't want this to waste either, because I don't have a fridge to store it. So let me make use of it. Oh my god, oh my goodness. As I was saying, all the ingredients I used in order to achieve this hair mask works perfectly well for hair growth, for moisturizing your hair, for thickening your hair, for preventing breakage. If you have baldness, please give this hair mask a try. It helps a lot, and come and leave your feedback here in the comment section below. Don't just use it once or twice and say it's not working. Be consistent with it. If you are high porosity, you don't even have a problem with egg, because egg is protein. Obviously, it's only those of us that have low porosity that may have problem with applying too much protein in our hair. But if you have high porosity type of hair, then you can use egg, you can use protein as much as you want. But low porosity, I advise that you use this treatment once or twice in a month. You can now be skipping, if you want to do the treatment, you skip any the egg part, remove the egg, but then still put the other ingredients, like that's the avocado, olive oil, moringa powder and banana. Please give this hair mask a try. If you also have fenugreek, I didn't use fenugreek in this hair mask, but if you have fenugreek powder, apply the fenugreek powder too. Add it to the hair mask. It helps a lot. When you do all these things, I promise you, your hair will flourish. You see how thick my hair is? I was not born with a thick hair. My hair got thick as time went on due to the hair mask I've been applying on my hair. That's how my hair got thick, and it's getting longer and longer. This is not genetic. Some people will say it's all about gene, all about up and down. Your hair is blessed. I've gotten such comments uncountable times. They'll say it's because you are blessed in your family, everybody in your family is blessed. It's a very big lie. Ingredients that promote hair growth, thicken your hair, is everywhere. You just left for you to make up your mind and use them in order to allow your hair to flourish. So please give this hair mask a try. If you are new to my channel, please click the like button in order for you YouTube to recommend this video to more people. The more you guys like and comment something in the comment section below, YouTube will recommend this video to more people. It shows that you guys are actually enjoying this video. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are almost on 500 subscribers, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your bell notification if you are new, so that once I upload a video, you get to know the video that's I uploaded. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So can you guys see my hair? Can you people see my hair? Oh my goodness. If you are not giving this hair mask a try, then you are missing out. You are definitely missing out. Give this hair mask a try and thank me later. When you give this hair mask a try, come to the comment section below and leave your comments or if you have used this before, please comment down below what you feel about this hair. Leave your comment in the comment section below if you have given this hair mask a try before. So after applying it too, I'm going to cover my hair for 30 minutes and allow it to steam up. After 30 minutes, I will rinse it out and I will show you guys the outcome of my hair. I didn't show the entire process of rinsing out the hair and all of that because it will definitely take a long time and to make this video stay longer. So this is my hair after I rinsed it out and allowed it to dry. I used the braiding method to dry my hair, so it's not that difficult. If you want a video of how to dry your hair using the braiding method, please leave your comment in the comment section below and I'll do that video as well. So after loosening it, I will fluff it up. As you can see, again, the way you handle your hair matters, so please be gentle with your hair. I started from the root of my hair, from the tip of my hair, from the tip of my hair to the root of my hair. I didn't start from the root of my hair, as you can see. So you start from the tip, then you move up to the root of your hair. So you can see how my hair is, right? Very full and bouncy, very full and bouncy. So as the video progresses, you are going to see the length of my hair, how long my hair is, and my hair is definitely very thick and it's getting longer. My mission and goal in this channel is to grow my hair very well to my butt, and probably if I reach my butt length, I might cut it and start all over again. I don't know, but I really want to grow my hair and also take you guys in my hair journey and help some of you know that know and understand that our hair can grow. You are just the one stopping your hair from flourishing. So give this video a huge thumbs up if you have enjoyed it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps a lot. My name is Brenda Okolocha and I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber. My content is all about natural hair, entertainment and lifestyle. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you